Assalamu alaikum everybody, so welcome back to my channel. It's Jenna G and that's me, the hijabi from TNT. Today we are going to be doing some simple shrimp kebabs for lunch today, and it's very easy. And I'm going to be doing step by step from cleaning the shrimp, put them on the kebabs, and then we are just going to put them on the cast iron skillet that I have. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get started with the shrimp here. I got some nice big shrimp. I honestly can't remember where husband said he got them from, but they're pretty good size. And now this, I'll be honest, is not my favorite thing to do. It could be a little bit, you know, but yeah. So we're taking the head off. I'm taking the shell off. Now normally for like pepper shrimp, if I would do pepper shrimp, I would actually leave this on, but I'm going to be taking it off. I can't use gloves to do this, so I prefer to use my hands. Just don't touch anything afterwards. And then I'm going to take my knife, just slide it along the back, and then we're going to just put this in here. And after we clean all, we're going to wash them through and remove this not nice piece here. Something you definitely don't want to be getting in your food. So I'm just going to clean all of the shrimp, and then we will do that afterwards. So now what we're going to be doing is removing this part from the shrimp that we don't want, and we're just going to put it under running water and just put it in a separate bowl, and then we're just going to season it up. So we've got our shrimp properly cleaned and limed as well. And I am going to just be adding some JGM Products Cajun seasoning to this shrimp. And some paprika. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to put them on the skewer sticks. And now all I'm going to be doing is just adding my shrimp to the skewers. Now these, you can add vegetables if you like, if you have carrots, mushrooms, onions. I'm just going to stick with just shrimp, mostly because I've got some limited time to work with today to do this. So these shrimp are so nice, so I'm going to put 4 on one skewer. And let's grill these now. Alright, so we've got our cast iron skillet hot. So all I'm going to be doing is adding each shrimp kebab to it. That's the brown color we want to see. And just to finish it off, I'm just going to garnish it with some JGM parsley, and that's about it for our shrimp kebabs. Pretty simple, right? So that's it. We've got our shrimp kebabs done. They smell delicious after the cleaning and the seasoning and the cooking. It's finally finished. Just a few things to remember. Please be sure to clean your shrimp properly, and also put a lot of lime in it so you can eliminate that freshness. And when you're cooking your shrimp cooks in no time, so you don't want to overcook it, because then it's going to be very tough, and you don't want to have tough shrimp in your meal. So thank you as always for watching my videos, and if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to share with all your friends and your family, and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so yet. I will be posting videos regularly, inshallah. We'll see how it goes, but I do intend to do so. And I'm actually going to be having some parsley potatoes with this grilled shrimp kebabs, so look out for that in another video.